of international communication. Whether it is for professional or personal reasons, understanding the importance of English will help us all to reach our goals. So let us know more about importance of learning English from Chanu Nethdinee. Chanu Nethdinee, this is your chance to come on stage and teach us the importance of learning English. Please give a round of applause for Chanu Nethdinee.
First moment, I wish all good evening. Honorable Chief Guest, my dear teachers, loving parents, and my dear friends. I'm here to voice my views on importance of learning English. English is one of the most spoken language around the world. As kids, main purpose of learning English is to communicate with others and immerse in the world of knowledge. As a giant octopus, English can grasp each and every corner of the world for any purpose. So, we can go through the modern technology and search anything through internet for higher education too. Because of the current situation in Sri Lanka, most people try to migrate. So knowing English as a communicative language is a great benefit. There are many countries and cultures that speak or understand English. This is why it's important for younglings to be trained in speaking English. When they grow up, speaking the language will just come naturally. 53 countries speak English. That alone is a great reason to learn the language. Finally, I want to say these golden words about English. English is the ladder for higher education, and by learning English, we can easily access the world. Thank you. Have a nice day.
පාඨමාලාව විශිෂ්ට ගණයේ පාඨමාලාව. ඒ නිසාම තමයි මේ ලස්සනට භාෂාව හසුරවන්නට අය සිංහල දිනියක් වුවද හරියට ඇමරිකන් බ්‍රිතාන්‍ය ස්ටයිල් එක හරියට අනුගමනය කරමින් හරි අපූර්වට ඉංග්‍රීසි භාෂාව හසුන් ලැබුවා. තව පොඩ්ඩක් හයියෙන් අත්පොළ සංකටක් ලබා දෙමුද ඒ පුංචි දරුවා.
She truly deserves your.
බොහොම ස්තුතියි.